Welcome to GameBench. Do you have a Chromebook and want to install custom developer software or run tests? In this tutorial, I will show you how to do this and how to profile your Chromebook using our GameBench desktop tool. To do this, you will need a second computer or a laptop for ADB recording. By putting your Chromebook into developer mode, you will gain full root access, including the ability to modify your Chromebook's system files. It is important to note that there are some warnings in doing this. In enabling and disabling developer mode, your Chromebook will be power washed. All of your files and user accounts will be removed from your Chromebook. Of course, most of your data should be stored online, but it's important to know this before you enable. Another warning is that Google do not offer support for developer mode, as it does not officially support this feature, so it may void your warranty. How to boot in recovery mode. On the original Chromebooks, developer mode was a physical switch you could flip. On modern Chromebooks, it's an option you need to enable in recovery mode. This is a special boot option where you can also reset to factory default state. To get started, you need to boot your Chromebook in recovery mode. To do so, press and hold the escape and refresh key, where the F3 should be, and then tap the power button, which may either be located at the side of the laptop or on the keyboard, depending on your model. Your Chromebook will immediately reboot in recovery mode. One of the first things you're likely to see is the message Chrome OS is missing or damaged. Don't panic, it isn't. This screen just appears when your Chrome OS installation is damaged. Just press Ctrl and D at the recovery screen to move past this screen. You will notice this shortcut is not listed as an option, as it prevents users without developer knowledge from messing around. Once you are past this, you will see a screen saying to turn OS verification off, press Enter. Please enter to enable developer mode. This will disable the operating system verification feature so you can modify Chrome's OS system files easily. You'll see a message saying OS verification is off when you boot your Chromebook. This message informs you that your Chromebook's files can't be verified. In other words, that the Chromebook is in developer mode. When restarting developer mode, you will need to press Ctrl D to get past the OS verification is off screen. The first time you boot your Chromebook after enabling developer mode, it will inform you that it's preparing your system for developer mode. This may take 10 to 15 minutes. You can look at the progress bar at the top of the screen to see how much time is left. Now you'll be able to set up for recording GameBench. It's important to note that this method will measure the performance of your Chromebook and its apps. This method will not install the GameBench desktop or Android app, but record the data through ADB. The first thing you need to do is enable ADB and unknown sources. To do this, go to your settings at the bottom right and click the settings wheel. Next, just search for Play Store and turn on Play Store if it's not already enabled. If you have switched this on, you'll be able to go to your Android settings menu. Just click Manage Android Preferences, and you'll see a familiar Android settings menu. Scroll to the bottom option, About Device, and click on Build Number until it enables developer options. Next, click on Security and enable Unknown Sources. Then go to Developer Options and allow ADB debugging. Finally, to allow for ADB, you will need to obtain the device's IP address. The easiest way to do this is to go back to your Settings toolbar at the bottom right. Click on the arrow next to your network and press the information icon. Make a note of your IP address and that's it. You will now be able to go to your other machine to connect and start profiling your Chromebook's performance. How to set up ADB on your computer. Android Debug Bridge, ADB, is a command line utility for running and managing Android devices on your computer or emulator. You must set this up in order to connect your computer to your Chromebook. Once you have set up ADB, you can connect through your network. Step 1 is to make sure your Chromebook and computer are on the same network. You can use either Wi-Fi network or a wired connection. Step 2, open a terminal window. Step 3, run the following command, where IP address is the IP address of the Chromebook noted in the previous section. ADB kill-server, ADB start-server, ADB connect IP address. If the connection was successful, ADB responds with the following message, connected to IP address. Step 4, verify that the Chromebook appears in the list of devices, ADB devices. ADB responds with the message, list of devices attached. If the serial number does not appear after running ADB devices, update ADB and then repeat the steps here. Once you are set up, you can go to the GameBench desktop application. Your Chromebook should now show under the devices here. Select the app and press record. You'll now start profiling in real time. To stop, just click this button again and your session will be uploaded to your web dashboard. You can dig down into the metrics to get a better idea of how your app performs. At the moment, we are unable to measure GPU for Intel, but are working hard to fix this in the near future. That's it. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.